10 Secrets to Become Wealthy and Debt-Free. Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'll reveal 10 powerful secrets to help you become wealthy, live debt-free, and build the financial life you deserve. Let's dive right in. 1. Track every dollar you spend. Wealth starts with awareness. Most people don't know where their money goes. Food, subscriptions, impulse buying. Use a simple budgeting app or a spreadsheet. When you track your spending, you gain control. And when you control your money, it stops controlling you. 2. Spend less than you earn. This is the foundation of wealth. If your income is $1,000, aim to live on $700 to $800. The extra cash becomes your savings and investments. Simple rule: if you can't buy it twice, you can't afford it. 3. Build an emergency fund. Before chasing wealth, secure your foundation. Set aside at least 3 to 6 months of expenses. This protects you from job loss, medical bills, or emergencies, so you won't need loans or debt when life gets tough. 4. Pay your high-interest debt. Credit cards and personal loans drain wealth. Target the ones with the highest interest rate. Pay more than the minimum. Every time you clear one debt, roll the payment into the next. This is the debt avalanche method, and it saves you thousands. 5. Increase your income, not just cut expenses. You can only cut so much, but you can earn infinitely more. Learn high-income skills, start a side hustle, or ask for a raise. The bigger your income grows, the faster you escape debt and build wealth. 6. Invest early and consistently. Wealthy people don't rely on saving alone. They rely on investments. Put a portion of your income into stocks, index funds, ETFs, or real estate. Invest in skills that generates high income. Invest in trainings and seminars to increase your knowledge and skills. Buy books about business and finance. Consistency beats timing. Your money should work harder than you do. 7. Live below your means, not within them. Most people increase their lifestyle when income goes up. Wealthy people don't. Keep your expenses stable even when you earn more. The bigger the gap between income and expenses, the faster you build wealth. 8. Avoid impulse buying. Instant gratification destroys long-term wealth. Use the 24-hour rule. If you want to buy something, wait a day. If you still want it and it fits your budget, go ahead. 9. Learn to use credit wisely. Credit is a tool, not an enemy. Use it only for things you can pay off immediately. Don't depend on loans for wants. Good credit gives you access to lower interest rates and better opportunities. 10. Surround yourself with financially smart people. Your environment shapes your behavior. Spend more time with people who talk about business, savings, investing, and discipline. Their mindset will influence you to make smarter financial decisions. Becoming wealthy and debt-free isn't magic. It's discipline, consistency, and smart habits. Start small, stay committed, and never stop learning. If you want more wealth-building videos like this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment your goals below. Thanks for watching, and remember, your financial freedom starts today.